Hello everyone, it's Sean and I'm back for the next part of the RoboCop build, which is the spray painting of the final parts that needed black. So the other side of the divider and the back sides of the seats. Now if anything went missing, you won't see the bottom, but it's important that I got the black, and if there's any flaw, you have the matte black to make sure that it's all painted, so that should work out just well. And as you see, I had already painted the front face of the wheels black anyway, so I'm going to get the highlighter and mark out which parts I have now spray painted once again, so I'll be right back with that. Once again, using a ring light, because you see what it looks like if I don't use the ring light, but you know, for right now, that's bright enough.